What's up, y'all? In this video, what I'm going to show you here is an air duster slash pump. Check this thing out. This little thing right here actually is like great for like blowing off dust inside your car, but the number one thing I have it for is blowing off inside of computers or blowing off keyboards. That's where this thing works extremely well. You can, they do recommend it for sofa and the air conditioner grates, but keyboards, windowsills, and things like that, where I think it's going to really work. And the package includes the air duster, and it has up to 8 nozzle attachments and a USB-C charging, so a quick charging on it. And the battery capacity on this thing, well, the outflow capacity on this thing is 2.7 kPa, and the charging on it is a 5 volt, and the rated charge is up to 68 milliamps. And there's a little quick set of instructions right here. You're going to take the switch off, you hold it down for 3 seconds and it comes on. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this thing out of a package and show y'all how well this thing works. So let's open it up and look at it now. Very solidly packaged here. It is packaged tight. I've actually opened it up, charged it, and looked at it. Number one, you get a cool little brush. Kind of looks like a toothbrush. That's for pretty much cleaning up any type of little item right there. That is your like more restrictive blowing. You see things like that. You get a little brush, and right here's the unit itself. Looking at the actual unit itself, the button comes taped up right here. Take that little remember to take that little plastic piece off, or it probably won't work for y'all. And look at all these attachments. I'm just going to pour it out here. You see there's nothing else left in the box. USB-C cable. I have tons of these things, so I didn't need to actually take that one out. And look at all of these little small attachments. Actually, some of these attachments, like this one, is made for blowing up air mattresses and things like that. How cool is that, that you actually get it for blowing up an air mattress and things, and also with cleaning. That's for like cleaning up a car vents and your car radio and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and use this attachment here. It actually has a strong fit down in there. There it is right there. And to start it, hold it down for 3 seconds. There it is right there. That thing has a very strong, powerful blow to it already. Let's go one more. There's second. It looks like you're going to hold it down, start it. There's that. That's full blow right there. Let me go over here and blow some dust for y'all and show you what it looks at. Let's use it like a little blower. What's cool, it also has a little LED light. I don't know if you can hear it in the camera there, but check that out. Let's blow some stuff over here. Look at that. You know what you could also do? I guess you could clean your whole porch off with this thing. I have this little stove here. See all this dust that's getting down in this little stove? This is a handy item for like little window sills, but really what I'm using it for is cleaning up little items. Like, see this chair? My chair has like leaves and stuff in it. Check it out. And then if you ever get pet hair or anything on you, you could blow it off. And to turn it off, you basically just hit the switch. This is one of these items I highly recommend. You could blow up air mattresses, you can clean your keyboard, you can clean the inside of your computer off, things like that, or around your car dash. That's one thing I'm going to be using it for, is my vents and my car dash. Clean up around my engine at times too. Very small, very compact, but extremely powerful. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the little battery powered air duster. See you guys in the next video. Woo!